If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin and will heal their land. In 2 Chronicles 7:14 is God's open invitation to restoration. Notice how personal it is. My people. That means you. That means me. Healing isn't something far away, it begins in our hearts. God lays out 4 simple but powerful steps. Humble yourself, pray, seek his face, and turn from anything that pulls you away from him. It's not about being perfect. It's about being willing to bow low so he can lift us up, willing to pray, even when we don't have the words, willing to seek his presence above everything else, willing to turn away from distractions and sin that keep us bound. And here's the promise. When we do, God says he will hear us, not ignore us, not push us aside. He will hear from heaven. He will forgive. He will heal. So maybe today it's not about waiting for change out there. Maybe it's about letting God change in here. Because when he heals one heart, he can heal a family. When he heals a family, he can heal a community. And when he heals a community, revival begins.